Hi, my name is Franco Solorzano, and this is the homework about narratives and rituals. The narrative I'm going to talk about is something my father used to tell me a lot when I was little. He used to tell me that my grandfather was a biology teacher at a school called Maldonado that is in Riobamba. He would tell me how many mothers would go up to his house and offer chickens, squeeze, rabbits, bottles of alcohol, and many other things, so that my grandfather would help them out with passing grades or would forgive them for any misdeed they did at school or anything that their sons did wrong. So what my grandmother would do was she would grab the chickens and throw them from the third floor of her house down to the ground. And I thought it was pretty harsh what she did, but it changes a lot throughout times and how people used to see things then and how they see them now. So, but my grandfather wasn't uncaring. My father would tell me that he would be on top of his students. He would be worrying about them, how they were doing. He would constantly talk to them, see if they needed help with any tutoring or anything. But there were students who just didn't have interest in class, and that's when the bribery and everything came in. But my grandfather never accepted anything from any student or mother. It taught me how the world works and seeing that the world is not always the righteous place. That everyone does something wrong. That everyone does everything right and tries to stay by the laws and do what is told, but they actually try to look for shortcuts or different ways to get their means to get what they want. And it taught me that no matter what we do or what our profession is, there are always ways to cheat, ways to undermine other people, but it depends on us if we stay true to ourselves or not and the morals we have. About my place in the world, it taught me that I have to work for what I want to achieve, for my goals, for my dreams, because nobody else is going to do it for me. I'm the only one person that can get what I want and strive for what I want to get, as well as the values and everything that has been passed down to me makes the essence of who I am. And no matter what someone offers or tries to buy, I have to stay true to the person I am inside and how I've been brought up. And how to act in the world, it taught me that even if no one is watching, there is a moral code and the values we or I have been brought up with show me that it's not okay to do that type of thing, to undermine other people, to find shortcuts by cheating or bribery. It taught me that I had to stay true to myself and do things that I want to do because I want to do them, not just for someone else. And how to evaluate what happens in the world. It helped me see that in a never changing world, many people can succumb to temptation and prefer the easy way of doing things instead of the righteous way, instead of doing ways according to a moral code that is implicit within the community or the environment. And also that many people will look for shortcuts, but the aftermath of not doing a complete process or doing things correctly will catch up to you and it will have consequences, be it tomorrow, in a year, or in 10 years. Actions always have consequences. And that's it. Thank you.